Hi everyone, and welcome to this tutorial of painting a very simple landscape with a gradient background, a very minimalistic mountain and a tree. All the materials I have used are listed up in the description. Let's begin by wetting the paper evenly with clean water. I will start painting the background from the top being the darkest, and as we move down, the background will start getting lighter. You can also add slight inclination to your paper so that it helps for the paint pigments to move easily on the paper. Here I am using the masking tape. Do notice that I am loading my brush with paint only to paint the top section of the paper, and as we move down, I rinse the brush with clean water and drag that paint downwards. So this way only the top part of the paper will be darker, and as we move down, the wash becomes light. Repeating the same process for the second time. Just tilting the paper for a few seconds to help the pigments move. Now let's wait for the paper and the paint to completely dry. With Payne's Grey, I'll paint the first layer of the ground with a light wash. Make sure that the background is completely dry, so I'll start painting the mountain now. With slight inclination, repeat and get the gradation with mountain as well to get a misty mountain. Painting the second mountain lighter than the first one. Now with dark mix of Payne's Grey, I'll paint the second layer of the ground. Make sure that the first layer of ground that you painted with the lighter Payne's Grey is completely dry. Let's start painting the tree now. I'm using a very dark mix of Payne's Grey for this, the darkest color in the mix for this entire painting. Paint any kind of bright tree that you wish for. Here I'm making many curvy branches and curvy tree trunks, so feel free to depict your tree however you want it. You can sketch the tree and the tree trunks beforehand if that makes it any easier for you. let's add some tiny birds. I usually practice bird on the masking tape first before painting on the final painting. With Posca pen, I'm going to draw the moon, and before that paint dries, I'll add some highlight with Payne's Grey on the moon. If you don't have Posca pen, you can use Jelly Roll pen or wash or acrylic paint to paint the moon. Adding some grass and highlights with Jelly Roll pen. And we are done. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to stay tuned for future videos. Do check out my other tutorials as well, and I would love to hear what you think about them.